Unleashing shapes and forms in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very exciting topic in the English language: describing objects. Specifically, we're going to focus on how to talk about their shape and form. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of how to use various English words and phrases to describe the shapes and forms of different objects. Let's get started. The first step in describing objects is to identify their shape. Shapes are the particular physical form or appearance of something. We often learn basic shapes like squares, circles, and triangles when we're young, but there are many more to discover. Here are some examples. Square: 4 equal straight sides and 4 right angles. Circle: completely round shape. Triangle: 3 straight sides and 3 angles. Rectangle: 4 straight sides with opposite sides being equal and 4 right angles. Oval: shape like an egg or an ellipse. Cube: 6 equal squares attached together to form a 3D shape. Sphere: completely round 3D shape, like a ball. Cylinder: 2 flat circles or ellipses at both ends and 1 curved side. Pyramid: a 3D shape with a polygonal base and triangular faces meeting at a common point. There are many more shapes, but these are the most common ones you will encounter. Now let's move on to the form of an object. When we talk about form, we are talking about the structure or arrangement of parts of an object. Here are some phrases you might use. Flat: an object that has a smooth and even surface, without raised areas or indentations. Round: something that is shaped like a circle or sphere. Sharp: an object having an edge or point that is able to cut or pierce something. Smooth: an object with a surface free from bumps or ridges. Rough: a surface that is uneven or coarse. Hollow: something that is empty on the inside. Solid: an object that is not hollow. It is filled entirely with matter. Bumpy: covered with high spots or lumps. This way you can more accurately and specifically describe what an object looks like. Well, that's it for today's lesson on shapes and forms in English. Remember, it's not only about knowing these terms, but also about practicing using them. So, the next time you see an object, try to describe its shape and form in English. I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next English learning journey. Happy learning!